farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. You know, I've told you about Isabrown chicken, that they are good layers. As you can see them, we have bigger eggs here that are very big. So I'm going to pack them inside the rubber crate right now so that we can transfer them to where they are going to sell it. So we have, though I just visit the farm to check the farm, so it's the place I've supervised before, so I visit the place since we are kind of having little trouble with the workers that are working here, so I just have to come and do some things by myself and teach the newly people that are coming here, so how it is done. So that is what brought me here. So coming here, I just have to make this video for you so that you can see the Isabrown chicken that I talk about and see how big their egg are. So you can see their shell is very big, so it is hard to break, very big, and the shell is very hard. If you're having soft shell, that means you are not using Lasota for them frequently. So here we normally use Lasota for them every month. So the Lasota will help the shell to be strong, and the eggs will be big too. Whenever time you give them Lasota, so and you keep on giving the vitamin, all this thing will help their eggs. It will increase the size of their eggs and how their eggs will be. So I'm going to pack all these things and I will tell you the number of crates that I get. They sold the other cage before I came here, so but the one they have left, all these ones are more than a year now, going up to 2 years. So very soon they will dispose them. They are old layers already, so they will get fresh one and they start the business again. Actually, they are using that is a top feed for them. Before they are using chicken, I think due to the price of everything, so they come back to top feed. Top feed too is doing its best, so they are harvesting without regrets. So it is a very good thing. You know, I was scrolling through my Facebook wall, so I saw a viral videos about some people that are stealing eggs. So my heart aches, so I felt very bad. You know, people are experiencing difficulties, using money to buy huge amount of money to buy feed. So and at the end of everything, the workers that are working there are still stealing their eggs, which is not normal. It is very bad. I don't know, maybe you have watched that video before. You can check the video right here. welcome back. That is just it. You self can tell that what those people are doing is not good enough. So to spend money over things like this, and at the end of everything you end up having people that are stealing your egg, it's very, very bad. So we have them here. Let me pack their eggs so that I can tell you the number of crates I get out of it. Oh. We are not having number of the eggs here. That is simply because the chickens are just laying. So they just started laying, and this is 11 going to 12, so it is early. And I just want to get this done so that I can move to another place. So I'm so busy with lots of work, so I just have to come here and check some things before I go. But really, if we pack this, there is 100% possibilities for us to still get some number of crates by the time it's 4 o'clock. So the one that haven't dropped their eggs, we drop the eggs, and we are going to pack everything together. So if I even give you the number of crates I see now, it will be the one that I get this early morning. It is until in the evening before they calculate the whole number. But right now I can't wait till that very moment because I have things to attend to in other farms too. But here the chickens are doing very well because as you can see they are eating, and they have what they are eating is mash here. So they are not taking pellets, it is mash, and they are doing very well. So you can see them here. They are very healthy, very strong, and they produce large amounts of eggs. You are going to love it whenever time you stock them. I know a lot of people that stock Isabrown too. So they are very good breed of chicken that lays eggs. more than 1,500 pieces. So they're still laying. In the evening time, they will still get more of it.